Today we're making baby back ribs, or what you might call pork loin back ribs. I've already removed the membrane, which is a real tough, chewy sinew that's on the back of ribs. I removed those. But I didn't show you how to do that today because there are several videos online that you can see how to remove the membrane. So today we're going to use as our binder, we're going to use some mustard. Yellow mustard as a binder. And I have my own rub that I put on it. One day I'll put the video on how to make that rub, but for now, just trust me, it's a good rub. So we're just rubbing this on, the binder on. You won't taste the mustard when this starts cooking. And we're going to be cooking this on the smoker today. And it's going to be delicious. Let's put some rub on. Now we'll turn it over, do the same thing. I've already trimmed it up. The fat that you see on here, I want it to stay there because it's going to render when it cooks. The mustard. Rub it on. If you have gloves, use gloves. Makes cleanup very easy. It's quite nice to have gloves. More rub this side. All right. And once the grill comes up to temp, we're going to put it on the barbecue. And when we put these out on the grill, we're going to be using some apple wood and some peach wood. So it should be great. That's a perfect combination for ribs. Alright, so the grill is up to temp. So now we're going to put these ribs on the grill. And we're going to add some apple wood and some cherry wood. And we're going to let these smoke for about 3 hours of the first pull. See you then. Now in this bottle we have apple juice and apple cider vinegar. And we're going to spritz the ribs. Now that the ribs have been on about 2 hours, we're going to spritz them. Okay, so the ribs have been on the smoker for 3 hours. I've taken them out. Now it's time to wrap them. So what we're going to do is brown sugar now. Alright. Brown sugar, you're going to add some honey. Alright. Then some butter. And then some of our spritz. Mix that down. Now we're going to do the same thing to the back side. Brown sugar. Alright, some honey, it's gonna be nice and sweet, some butter, and spritz it with our apple juice and apple cider vinegar mix. Now we're going to wrap it. same thing with the other one. Be right back. So now that they're both wrapped, time to get them back on the grill, on the smoker. Be right back. And they're going to be on the smoker for another 2 hours. Now for our barbecue sauce, our glaze, we're going to use Famous Dave's Zesty and Sweet and Zesty. And we're going to use our spritz. We're going to mix it with our spritz, 50-50 mix. It's going to be awesome. So that way it thins out the sauce and also makes it where it gives it a nice even coat without too much fuss. Alright, mix this all up together. And you either want to heat this up or you want to let it sit like I'm doing now to get to room temperature. You do not want to put cold sauce, cold barbecue sauce, cold glaze onto hot food on the smoker. Here, now we want to unwrap it. And drain the juice into our glaze. And then we're going to return it back to the grill. One. Add this fluid to the glaze. We're going to return it to the grill. Ooh. Hot. Stir up the glaze. I'm going to add it on. It's looking good. Very nice. All right. So now the ribs have come off the smoker. So then we let them rest for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna cut them and see what we have. Look at that. Look at that. Nice smoke ring. All right. And here we have the finished product. Baby back ribs on the smoker. Nice. Very nice.